Now we are going to start with chapter number 3, Orlando. The young man had spoken the truth. He had no friends, and even his own brother Oliver was his enemy. Students, as we have already read in the previous chapter, that Orlando was saying that he is having no friend and other one to cry over his death. He was speaking truth. Why he was speaking truth? He had no friends, and even his own brother Oliver was his enemy. As he was without friends, and even his real brother Oliver was not very good to him. He always pretended to be an enemy for him. Orlando, such was his name, was indeed unfortunate. Orlando thinks himself as the unluckiest person, as he was having no one to take care of him. His father, a close friend of Duke Senior's, had died when Orlando was very young. When Orlando was very young, as a small boy, at that time, his father got died. His father, Sir Roland D. Boyce, was a very good friend of Duke Senior. He had left the boy in the care of his elder brother Oliver. And before dying, he left Orlando to Oliver to take care of him. The latter had treated Orlando cruelly and had given him no schooling. But Orlando, when he was left with Oliver, Oliver did not take care of him and he didn't send him to school. In spite of this, Orlando had grown into a noble youth, the image of his noble father. As he didn't go to school, but he was having the good qualities of a kind man. And he was like his father, as kind as his own father. Everybody praised him. This made Oliver angry and envious. Oliver was having a kind of jealousy from Orlando, as everybody praised him because he was a noble and kind soul. Oliver had gone to Charles before the wrestling match. My brother Orlando, he had told the champion, is an evil fellow. Before wrestling match, what Oliver had planned? He had gone to Charles and told him that his brother Orlando is a very bad person and evil personality. He looks noble, but he is in fact the wickedest creature on the earth. He looks as if he is very kind and noble soul, but in reality, he is the very bad creature, very bad person of the earth. He is even plotting to murder me. He always plans to kill me even. If you break his neck, I shan't mind. He told, during the fight, if you kill him and break his neck, then I will not mind. You will be doing the world a good service. Even you are going to do a great service for humanity by killing him. If you don't, you will regret it, for he'll find some way to kill you sooner or later. He told Charles that if you'll not be successful to kill him during the fight, then Orlando will surely kill you by making some plans now or later. Charles had believed these false words. I shall have no mercy on him, he had promised. He told Oliver that he will have no mercy on Orlando during the fight and will try his level best to kill him. Thank you.